Welcome back to the deep dive. Today, our mission is really laser focused. We're drilling down into just one single
I
product.
have a very specific one.
Exactly. A tiny bit of hardware that, well, it acts as a kind of linguistic translator in the AV world.
Mm-hmm.
So let's unpack this.
Yeah, so we're looking at the AIDA Imaging CBL-RJ45. It's a translator cable.
Okay, so what does it actually do?
Its core function is, it's basically a protocol bridge.
A protocol bridge. So it's
Yeah.
more than just an adapter.
Oh, much more. It's not just about repinning wires or changing the shape of the plug.
Right.
It takes this specialized 8-pin mini-DIN male connector and converts it to the common RJ45 network interface.
But if it's just a few wires, why can't an integrator just build one by hand? I mean, what makes this $22 adapter so essential?
It's about language, not just shape. You're translating an older voltage-based serial command language, that's the RS232C part,
Okay.
into the network-style standard that VISCA protocol cameras need to understand. It's a mission-critical communication.
I see. So what's the main application here? Who needs this specific bridge?
It's all about enabling advanced camera control.
Mm-hmm.
You use this to link your control unit, say a CCS USB, to your VISCA cameras.
And what does that allow?
Well, this is the really crucial part. It lets you daisy chain multiple VESCA cameras together.
Daisy chain. So you connect them one after the other in a line.
Exactly. And that saves a tremendous amount of labor. Think about setting up a lecture hall or a studio.
Right. So you don't have to run a dedicated control line back to the main desk for every single camera.
You just run one. It gives you unified control. It's a huge deal.
That makes sense. So given all that complexity, what are we looking at physically? Is this some big, clunky box?
No, not at all. It's
Eh.
designed to be basically invisible in a rack environment.
Okay.
It's just an external gender changer. It's about 300 millimeters, so a little under 12 inches long.
And the weight.
It weighs a tiny 28 grams. It's nothing.
Wow.
And here's a detail that might surprise you. It is TAA compliant.
Wait, hold on. TAA compliant. For those of us not deep in AV procurement, what is TAA, the Trade Agreements Act, and why on earth does that matter for a 28-gram cable?
Well, it's essential for anyone doing federal or large institutional contracts. It dictates where a product can be manufactured and ensures certain trade standards are met.
So this tiny little cable takes us from AV wiring straight into global economics.
It absolutely does.
And this is where it gets really interesting for me. We're talking about a highly technical component, and it's priced at, what, $22?
That's right. Part number CBL-RJ45, $22.
But you're telling me we can explicitly see the impact of a 15% international tariff on this tiny item?
That's what's so remarkable. The vendor is totally transparent about it. They note that the price already includes a 15% tariff that AIDA applied to all its products starting back in October 2025.
So when you buy this, you're buying a piece of hardware that connects the micro details of wiring to the macro details of trade policy, all baked into one price tag. And the supplier, HDTV Supply, they also add a lot of value on top of that, don't they?
They really do. You get free USA shipping. It usually ships the same day.
Mm-hmm.
And get this, a 2-year warranty and free lifetime technical support.
2 years on a cable. That is a huge amount of confidence in a tiny piece of hardware.
It tells you they really stand behind it.
So if we pull this all together, we're looking at a small, specialized connector that's, well, it's dictating the success of these really complex AV setups.
But that's it. It's bringing that older mini-DIN, that RS232C interface with the modern RJ45 and VISCO protocols.
It's the linchpin.
It absolutely is.
And that, I think, raises an important final question for you to consider. How often does the entire success of a huge, maybe even a multi-million-dollar installation truly depend on the flawless function of one single low-cost adapter?
An adapter that costs less than lunch.
Exactly. It dictates communication between all the sophisticated equipment it serves, yet it's practically an afterthought in the budget. It's something to mull over the next time you plug in a seemingly simple connector.